What's up? Hi guys, it's me again. Last time when I made my YouTube video, remember? It was me at the library. Ike, shut up. Sorry. I just want to see how good these stuff are. Because I want to see how good my aim is too. Not good. Well, let's see. Did I miss?
I couldn't tell.
I think I missed. I like Mark Rover. Speaking of Mark Rover, you should check out his channel. My favorite YouTuber. I love her. I mean him. Not her. Him. 51.
You definitely hit it that time.
Yeah, but it broke. Oh, that was strong. It just took this out. Like, that's pretty strong. What are you doing down there? Sorry. Now this bullet taped off. Now let's try this. Sorry, those are loose. I'll get them. Sorry about the wait. Let's see how good this is. Will it take a piece off or will it survive? Survive the Lego brick. Now finally. Do better. Finally. Hurry up. Finally. No. Finally this. Oh. Made a mistake. Survive! Well, there's some stuff I want to talk about. But first, let's rewind. There, I had to fix it. Caught him. Okay. Alright. Let's go mining. Map. Dun, 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 dun. Cats are fighting. Sorry, someone sneezed. Bless you. A gem. It's unlocked. What's inside? Can you guys see it? There's gems. I'm gonna keep them. That's one of the play features. There's this food. Chicken leg. Sorry. Them. What? Rewind. So, what I can do, like if the ship lands, like she can just like They're so fun. And you also can just rub this. Let's see if I do it. Let's go. Didn't work. I won't break it. What else is pretty playful? It's like if there's a spaceship nearby, I can just do that, so it can crash. You can see that's how much damage it did. Okay, I faked that. If you can see, I can put this here and this here. Okay. And there's one thing I wanted to show you. I'm a dinosaur! I'm a dinosaur with a hot dog thingy. Num num num. I want gems. I want gems. No, no gems. They belong in the museum. Num num num. Okay. Just so playful. Okay. Like and subscribe. Bye.